Alright, I have another unboxing video from Glow Shift. Really like this company. This is where I get most of my gauges. And they just came out with a pretty neat contraption. Boom. Clamp on oxygen sensor bong. So this here is so you don't have to make any welds to your exhaust. All you simply have to do is make a hole for the oxygen sensor to fit. Put this sucker clamped onto there. Clamp it on with these two bolts. This is a 2-inch with a 2-inch exhaust. Comes with a nice little gasket here so you don't get no seals or no leaks. So you get a nice flush seal. Comes with some instructions of how to do this. Pretty simple. Saying to use a 13/16 drill bit hole to make it an angle so it does not get all the condensation that's down here. So you want to make sure it's like a nice upward angle, and just like so. There you have it. Sucker clamps on just like that right there. So you can put an AFR reader, and they sent stickers. My favorite. This item was only does not say here. It was only like 30 bucks, I think. I want to say 30 bucks. Yeah. And this is everything it includes. Now we're able to connect our oxygen sensor bong for our air fuel reader. Because I am stock right now. So this will just go on to the stock exhaust. And when it's time for smog, I could just always just leave it there, or I could just cap it. And we should be set. And that's pretty much it. I just wanted to make a quick video of unboxing this here from Glow Shift, and they have many adapters as well for fuel readers, air temperature readers, coolant temperature readers, wiring harness, everything. They even have pillar pods that they don't have for my car. They have it for the 4-door, but not the 2-door. And you guys get a 10% off using that Rev 10. Sweet. Expires 9/30/22. And that'll do it for now. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.